Good morning, friends. I think after 15 days we are meeting at here because already we have got some written exam to your home and 4 to 5 days holiday with the Janmashtami festival. ઘણા બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ જન્માષ્ટમી ઉપર good drawing represent કર્યું, it is good. Now we want to start related maths chapter number 3. So today topic will be with us 9th standard. Already we have completed chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 15. Now we want to start chapter number 3. It is related with the coordinate geometry. So generally two words it is. Coordinate means origin and co means join. After બે ભેગા થાય કહે ને, it is called coordinate geometry. But our conceptually, what is the use of it and where it is found, that is important for us. So it's a branch of mathematics. જરૂરી છે ક્યાં ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ થયું, કેમ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ થયું અને એનો યુઝ શું કરી શકીએ, then we can understand properly. So branch of mathematics in which geometrical problems are solved through algebra by using coordinate system. આ મેથ્સની એક બ્રાન્ચ છે જેમાં એલ્જેબ્રાને આપણે યુઝ કરવાના અને પ્રોબ્લેમ સોલ્વ કરવામાં મદદ કરે, જેમ કે ડિસ્ટન્સના ડિફરન્સમાં આપણે જોશું 10th standard માં we can find out, જેમ ફિઝિક્સમાં ડિસ્ટન્સ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરીએ એમ સાયન્સની મેથ્સની અંદર પણ we can find the distance between the two points by using coordinate geometry. That we have to understand in 10th. Now who is founder of this? I will find out today કે કોનો કોન્સેપ્ટ છે. તો કે 17th century માં ફ્રેન્ચ મેથેમેટિશિયન થઈ ગયા. 17th century one French mathematician રેને ડિસ્ક્રેટ્સ 17th century માં રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવાનું શીખવાડ્યું. હવે સિમ્પલ આમાં જે ટેક્સ્ટ, ઇફ યુ વિલ ઓપન ધ ટેક્સ્ટ એન્ડ રીડ ઇટ, તો એમાં એવું એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું છે કે જનરલી આપણે ઘરનું એડ્રેસ આપતા હોય કોઈ જગ્યાએ તો સ્ટ્રીટ્સ પણ આપીએ હે ને. ઇફ યુ ગો ફોર આઉટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયા, તો આઉટ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયામાં આપણે ગુજરાતની અંદર મકાન ઉપર નામ હોય ત્યાં એવું કંઈ હોય નહીં, ત્યાં શું હોય, ખાલી સ્ટ્રીટ્સ હોય અને એની અંદરનો પ્લોટ નંબર, બ્લોક નંબર હોય. તો we are using two things. One is streets and another is my address. So is an example of example જોઈએ. There is a one streets, are the streets sorry. So one number street, two number street. Now block number A, B, C. So what I will represent? Street number 1, block number A, or street number 2, block number B, or street number 3, block number C. So we can say we are using two things. આપણે બે વસ્તુને એમાં યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. So same thing we are using it here. એવું જ અહીંયા આપણે કોન્સેપ્ટ ક્લિયર કરશું. So પહેલા કોઓર્ડિનેટ જ્યોમેટ્રી means we are using the geometrical એને યુઝ કરવા માટે, બરાબર, પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ એલ્જેબ્રા ડિસ્ટન્સ ને આ બધા. રેને ડિસ્કર ઇઝ a founder of 17th century માં ફ્રાન્સ મેથેમેટિશિયન. હવે એને કહેવાય છે coordinate system. It is used for describing the position of a point in a plane with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines. Two mutually perpendicular lines. If I will draw two mutually perpendicular lines, we can do it like that. It's two mutually perpendicular lines. So what they are explaining? Coordinate system means what? It is used for describing the position of a point in a plane. So page here over board is one type of a plane. Point in a plane with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines. Mutually perpendicular lines means 90 degree they are each other. Is called Cartesian or coordinate system. Means coordinate geometry under we can say coordinate system. Any coordinate system there are two lines, both are mutually perpendicular, we can say 90 degree at each other. Now we can see if two lines are there, then what we can see about the lines. હવે એક કે ભાઈ તમે એવું કીધું કે mutually perpendicular, what we can say about that? Now lines are called coordinate axes. So if you will see that આપણે 9th માં આ લાઈન હોય, here it is 0, 1, 2, -1, minus. Already we know that it's a one type of line and we can represent number on line. પણ it is only one. આપણે એકને રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરીએ at a time 2 ને રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવું હોય તો we are using coordinate geometry. So if you will see that મારે 0 કરવું હોય 1 કરવું હોય તો it is straight line. આ શું it is called origin, but આ જે છે it is called axis. So lines are called coordinate axis. Lines ને શું કહેવાય? Axis. So there are two axes. Horizontal line is horizontal line. So horizontal line is called x-axis. Now if you will see here the graph is broken here. So if I will one line which is horizontal, અહીંયા શું નામ આપવાનું? X. Here O, not 0. O and here X dash. So we can say horizontal line X dash O X. X dash O X. We can say it is a x-axis. આપણે આવી રીતે લખીએ છીએ, આવી રીતે લખતા નથી. So we have to start from left to right, not from right to left. આપણે આમાં લખતા નથી. We are go from left to right. So I have to say x dash O X is called x-axis. Vertical line. So again explain vertical line. We can draw a vertical line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. Here it is. So here it is horizontal, but here it is vertical. And vertical क्या? ऊभी line होई. We can say vertical. Or here it is. We can say horizontal. So vertical line y o y dash is called y-axis. So two axes already we have understand that one is called x-axis and another is called y-axis. X-axis is always horizontal and y-axis is always on vertical. So x-axis versus y-axis. The point O is called the intersection between x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis જ્યાં intersect થાય, x-axis and y-axis જ્યાં intersect થાય, what we call? It is called origin. એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Origin. So if you will see this graph chart, or we can say graph x-axis, y-axis. So એમાં કેટલા પાર્ટ દઈ દીધા? Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 because of origin. When two lines intersect, it will be divided into 4 parts. So we can say part 1, we can say it is a quadrant, fourth part. कोई पूछे 1 નો fourth part ને શું કહેવાય? Quadrant. Quadrant, both axes divide the plane into 4 regions is called quadrant. Both axes divide the plane into 4 regions. It is called quadrant. એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? Quadrant. So it has 4 quadrant. Quadrant 1, we can say here first quadrant. Here it is second quadrant. Here it is third quadrant. Here it is fourth quadrant. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? આપણે anti-clockwise. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now because we know that જો આપણે x-axis, y-axis ઉપર જોઈએ તો x-axis here from O, left hand side 1, 2, 3. So right hand side, left and right. So left hand side and right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. ऊपर जाए तो 1, 2, 3, 4. So what? Understand? First quadrant માં જે coordinate છે 2, both values should be greater than 0. X is greater than 0, y is 0. So I am explaining plus sign. કોઈ પૂછે first quadrant હોય, બરાબર? એની અંદર first quadrant હોય એની અંદર માં હવે when we are doing the example, on that time you can better understand. It's a theory. It's a one type of theory. Now after understand we have to after explaining the theory, હું theory બરાબર સમજાવી દઉં પછી we can go on practical. So first quadrant, both are two things. One is x, another is y. X-axis, y-axis. First we represent x, then we represent y. Because horizontal પહેલા find out થયું છે. So horizontal that is x-axis, એટલે x ની વેલ્યુ છે. બીજી vertical that is y ની વેલ્યુ છે. So x value is also plus, y value is also plus. So in first quadrant x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Second quadrant x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. So when x ની વેલ્યુ નેગેટિવ છે, so x is negative but y is positive. So x negative and y positive. That is called second quadrant. Now third quadrant. If you will see third quadrant માં બે નેગેટિવ છે. X is also negative and y is also negative. So both values should be negative. So you have to make comma at here so you can understand. So in third quadrant x is less than 0, y is less than 0. So both are negative. Now in fourth quadrant you will see x is positive and y is negative. So in fourth quadrant x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. So it is really the basic concept. It is too much easy lesson, only one or two exercises there we can complete in within in school also we can complete within 1 and 2 lecture. So maybe possible we can complete our year 1 in 2 lecture and it is not too much hard. Just you have to represent yourself. આમાં ખાલી represent કરતા શીખવાનું છે. પછી આના પછીનો જે લેસન છે એની અંદર it is useful. So important thing how we can represent. In 8th standard already you have a graph. So in graph you can represent. So same thing we are representing. Again I am explaining coordinate geometry means what. First of all go through it and read it thoroughly. So again branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using coordinate system. René Descartes 17th century માં French mathematician થઈ ગયા જેને first represent કરી. Coordinate system means what? It is used for describing the position of a point in a plane with a reference to two mutually perpendicular lines is called Cartesian or coordinate system. Now lines ne શું કહેશું? તો lines are called coordinate axis. There are two lines we can say x axis and y axis. So x line horizontal lines that is called x axis but નામ શું? x dash o dash x dash o x x dash o x. Vertical y axis vertical y o y dash is called y axis. Both are the point o is called origin. When x axis and y axis intersect, જ્યાં બે intersect થાય it is called origin. Any value always 0 હોય because it is origin. Now if you will see two lines are mutually perpendicular, so we can say it will be divide the plane into 4 parts. આ મોટી માં લાઈન કરતો તો એમાં 4 parts બને. So first quadrant it is called quadrant. Fourth part we can say quadrant. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. So now value of quadrant. In first quadrant both value of x and y. So here it is x axis. હવે મને એવું કીધું કે 2 3 represent કરો. So from x I have to take 2, from y we can take 3. So if I will dot and join करतो we can say 2, 3. But both are positive. That we have seen in next lecture. Now horizontal line is called x axis, vertical line is called y axis, point O is called origin and coordinates are 4. In first quadrant both are positive. So we can say x greater than 0, y greater than 0. In second quadrant, if you will see second quadrant x is negative. So in second quadrant x is less than 0, y is greater than 0. In third quadrant both are negative. If you will see जो मैंने कहा -3 represent करो तो how I represent -3 so x axis -3 that is here, y axis -3 that is here, so both are at here, so we can say both are negative. So in next lecture we can go. And in fourth quadrant x is greater than 0, y is less than 0. X is greater than 0, y is less than 0. X if you see first quadrant x તો positive છે અને y શું છે negative. So I think third lesson is too much short. You can easily see learn it properly. You have to write this thoroughly, pause it, and that is why I'm explaining you. Go through it first, and then in next lecture we can discuss about the sum of it. अच्छा, इन 15th ऑगस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन है तमने रिपब्लिक ऊपर लखा 15th ऑगस्ट ऊपर इंडिपेंडेंट डे ऊपर लखવાનું કીધેલું છે that you have to write.